a whole lot of people always complain that Dr. Rashel product darkens their face. Don't worry. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you or tell you the reason why Dr. Rashel product darkens your face. And again, the best way to make use of Dr. Rashel product for it not to darken your face. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your Gear Here V series, and on today's video, we're going to be talking about this face cream that I've been using for the past 6 months plus. And this face cream is highly recommended. The name of this face cream is called the Dr. Rashel face cream. So if you're interested and you want to know more about the Dr. Rashel face cream and serum, stick around with me as we dive into this video. So now, if it's your first time coming across my channel, please hit on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. And as well, turn on the post notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first person to get notified by YouTube. To my new subscribers, thank you so very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so very much for finding me worthy on this street of YouTube. And to my old subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so very much for always sticking around my videos. Thank you so very much for always watching my video. Thank you so very much for, making this channel to be moving. Okay, without you, that won't be this series. I want to say thank you. And I do not take that for granted. Okay, talking about the Dr. Rashel face cream and Dr. Rashel face serum. This is actually a product that I've been using for over 6 months to 1 year. And I can say at this point, I can give my honest and truthful review about this product. Guys, this is how the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C face cream looks like. I hope you guys can see it. And this is the content. So vitamin C, as we all know, is a very effective and essential antioxidant of which our skin needs, that helps to protect the skin against effects of aging and make your skin look so fresh. And vitamin C also stimulates collagen production to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on our face. So you and I need vitamin C on our daily routine. One amazing thing I like about this vitamin C face cream by Dr. Rashel is the fact that it contains hyaluronic acid, which help with soft tissue growth, prompts your skin to make more collagens, leaving your skin so moisturized, and helps to boost elasticity of the skin. Hyaluronic acid in this face cream helps to boost hydration of the skin. So if you're such a person that is always experiencing dryness of the face or stinkiness of the face, I would advise you, go ahead and get this face cream. It hydrates the skin and moisturizes the skin. Let me show you guys how. So, like, it moisturizes and hydrates so very fast. I love the fact that this face cream, like, it blends the skin very well, making your face look so fresh and smooth. So this is really a nice one. So if you have a dry face, go ahead and get this face cream. So the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C face cream is a brightening face cream. Like, it's a brightening face cream. I never said it's a lightening face cream. Like, it's not going to lighten your skin. It brightens the face. It moisturizes. It hydrates your skin so very well. Like, it's going to leave your skin look so hydrated, thick, and plump. So if you're expecting Dr. Rashel Vitamin C face cream, or you're expecting Vitamin C face serum to lighten you or whiten your skin, it's not gonna do that. Like, it's not gonna do that. And that is the more reason why this face cream does not discriminate any skin type. Like, if you're a fair skin person, it's going to go well for you. If you're a chocolate, caramel, whatsoever skin type you are, so anybody can make use of this face cream, and you're going to see a wonderful result. It's going to give you a wonderful result at the end. So you can actually start seeing results from 2 weeks to 4 weeks of usage, you're going to start seeing that moisturizing and brightening effect. A whole lot of people complain that this face cream darkens their face and it makes their face oily. That is the more reason why this face cream is very, very suitable for dry skin people. Like if you're always experiencing dryness of the face, this face cream is for you. So if you are applying this product without a sunscreen, you are making your skin vulnerable to sun damage, which at the end of the day leads to premature aging and dark spots. So you have to make sure you make use of your sunscreen after applying this face cream. So secondly, to avoid this face cream from darkening your face, you need to have a night lightening face cream, like a night lightening face cream that you can incorporate together with this face cream, with this vitamin C face cream. Okay, so if you're making use of your vitamin C face cream during the day, you make use of your lightening face cream only at night, probably 2 to 3 times in a week. By so doing, you're going to find out that your skin is going to rhyme. This face cream is not going to darken your face. Instead, it's going to moisturize and brighten your face effectively. So you need to get a sunscreen you're going to be using together with this face cream during the day, and then at night you need to get a lightening face cream you're going to be using only at night. You guys already know that it is very, very wrong to use anything lightening or whitening during the day. Like your face is going to damage beyond repair. So make use of your lightening product only at night, or your whitening face cream only at night, and then make use of your vitamin C face cream or your vitamin C serum during the day. With that being said, you're going to get a wonderful result. Another thing you need to know about the Dr. Rashel product is that their face cream comes in 2 forms. Like it has this one written vitamin C face cream, and another one, the one on the screen, the one written vitamin C by Dr. Rashel day cream, the one written day cream and face cream. So and the both of them looks alike, but the difference there is that their consistency and the effectiveness differs. Okay, so this particular one now, the one I'm holding, is the vitamin C face cream, while the one on the screen is the vitamin C day cream. So guys, now let's talk about the difference between this, which is the Dr. Rashel vitamin C face cream, and Dr. Rashel day cream, the one on the screen here. So let's talk about the difference. The difference between this and this is that this particular one here contains hyaluronic acid, while the Dr. Rashel face cream contains niacinamide. Not just niacinamide, it also contains SPF. That is the more reason why after applying it, just look as if you apply all this sunscreen. It just look as if you apply all this sunscreen that does not blend the skin. One thing I don't like about this one here is the fact that it leaves white cast. Like it leaves white cast. After applying, your face is going to look like masquerade. Your face is going to look like masquerade. It's going to leave white. It's just going to look as if you apply white powder, or like someone that apply chalk on the face. It does not blend. It does not blend. So instead of going for this, I would advise you to use the normal vitamin C face cream that blends so very well and does the job perfect. So guys, let's try out this product now. The Dr. Rashel vitamin C face cream. It blends so very well, and it blends very, very fast. Okay, but if you should apply that other one, the one written vitamin C day cream, like it's going to leave white cast on your face, and I know that you and I wouldn't like that. So for you to avoid that mistake, if you want to buy the vitamin C, if you want to buy the vitamin C face cream, I will advise you go for this one, the vitamin C face cream, the one written just vitamin C face cream. So for the face serum, which is this particular face serum, it's almost the same thing. It also does the same job like this other one, which is the face cream. Like it has almost the same content. This also contains hyaluronic acid. So if you can't afford this, you can go for this. If you don't use this, you use this, they still do the same job. And it is very, very good for people with extremely dry skin. It is very, very good for people that always experience dryness of the face, that want to moisturize their face, that want to, make their face look so hydrated and all of that. You can actually go for this or go for the face cream. The both of them has almost the same content and we still do the same job. We still do the same job. But note that this does not lighten the face and it does not whiten the face. All it does is that it brightens your complexion, it brightens your face and fade. It helps to fade your dark spots. Yes, it helps to fade your dark spot. And while applying this face cream and serum, make sure you apply it from your head, from your face down to your neck. Okay, whatever product you're making use on your face, make sure you apply it down to your neck so that you're going to have a uniform skin complexion at the end. You won't like the fact that your neck is looking so dark and your face is looking lighter and bright. So, but then I love the face cream more because it is just a normal, basic face cream that moisturizes the skin, that hydrates the skin, and gives you that healthy glow. And this face cream is sold at the price of 4,000 naira. You can go ahead and try out this product. It's going to worth every dime you spend in getting this product. It's going to worth your money. So guys, I've come to the end of this video today. Have you made use of this product? Let's know on the comment section. What are your thoughts? What do you think about the vitamin C face cream? What was your experience after usage? Let's know on the comment section. If you find this video interesting or helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up and of course like and share. You guys, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. Subscribe for more skincare tips. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.